Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to share with you the swatches of the new Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadows. I got all 6 and I bought 5 myself, but let me just quit the rambling and show you all of these beautiful shades. I personally am really in love with all of these colors. They are really affordable as well. The pigmentation is great, they feel super soft, and the shine is just amazing. I think these were about €3, €3 and a little bit. So they are really affordable. You can find them in a ton of different drugstores and you can buy them online as well. But just look at these swatches. This is just amazing pigments. I love them so much. They really feel soft to the skin as well, but I have to say, do use a base before you use them on your eyelids, especially when you have a little bit more of an oily skin tone or skin type, because they tend to move just a little bit without a primer or a base. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a next video.